Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm at Clement Street in San Francisco. We're going to check out this place here. It's called Heroes Club, The Art of Toys. It's all models from Japan, anime stuff, Godzilla. So come with me and let's check it out. All right, so here's the window. Check out just the window alone. Wow.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
All right.
Hey, hello. How you doing? Fine.
Look at that. That's
Holy crap.
Hydra, right?
King Ghidorah. Oh, really? Wait. Oh, that's
This
sick.
one?
Yeah, that's awesome. King Ghidorah, not Hydra.
What? That's
Yeah,
the God.
that's
It's in a Godzilla movie,
Yeah,
right?
That's awesome.
I remember that growing up.
That's amazing.
Are you the guy that makes the models?
Yes.
Or? What's the story behind this place?
Look at me.
Like the history. It's been here a long time.
We've been here since 1989.
So I came here when you were just opening.
Yeah. Originally, we are on 7 Clement. Excuse me. Let me take
Yeah, of course.
first. Hello. We're here. Fine. Thank you. Oh, you need to scan?
They got Ryan. They got Ultraman.
Yeah.
He was like the hero. He would fight. He would fight like the giant monsters
Oh, awesome. Here, this is
and all the Godzillas.
I believe this is in Silent Hill. Looks like it at least.
Hold on, I wonder. Man, your collection is amazing. So what is Kirk Hammett like? He likes the Dracula and monster stuff?
Yes.
Because it's Godzilla.
Models, mainly for his children.
He has a collection, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That one's...
I built him.
You see this one?
I built him Godzilla like 1954 diorama,
Wow.
and then I may still have the picture. Let me see.
I want to tell you a story about that. When I was
King Kong
4 years old, King Kong meets
versus
Godzilla.
Yeah.
My dad took me to see that when I was 4. I completely melted down. When they started to fight, I thought in my little 4-year-old mind, I thought it was real. And I started crying hysterically, and I could not stop crying, and they had to take me out of the movie theater because it freaked me out so bad. Wow, look at this. They even have Jason.
That is life-size Jason.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to meet that guy. You know, dark alley. Oh, and you got a guillotine here?
Yeah.
Wow. This place is amazing.
See.
That's awesome.
You can find this in a website.
I believe this is from Silent Hill 2, right? On the far right.
Silent Hill.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that thing. It's like a melting body. It's from Dark Souls. Handmade. The owner of the store makes a lot of these by hand, which is insane. And he carves them out of clay first. Wow, look at this. The detail is unbelievable. Man, they're so well done. It's unbelievable. Wow. Jackie Chan. Look at these guys. SEAL team. Nazi. Wow. Sand Trooper. This is completely handmade. one of a kind. Whole models handmade. Stormtrooper Chrome Edition. Wow, look at this. Zombie Edition Stormtroopers. That's amazing. And the Mandalorian. Look at the detail of this. Look at that. That's amazing, the Mandalorian. Look at this thing. A monkey riding a shark, zombie shark fish thing. The head with the other heads growing out of it. And this mad scientist with the huge syringes. Check out the hand eyeball. That's awesome. I love that. And the flying devil man. The imagination is off the hook. Check this out. Alien. That's so cool. That's a great one there. Handmade alien. The samurai lopped off some heads there. Wow. Predator samurai. This guy's got some kind of spine in his hand. Wow. There's a lady trying to ward off some kind of evil. Look at the fingers. What's this guy from?
Huh?
This guy here.
That is from Ultraman Ace.
Ultraman Ace. That guy's awesome. Arnold. Look at Arnold. He's all ripped. Yeah, Conan the Barbarian, the Crow. Wow, Brandon Lee. He died on a movie set of Bruce Lee's son there. And they even have Michael Myers. And I think that's the guy from Clockwork Orange in the white suit. And then here's Johnny. Wow, look at that thing. Man, super crazy looking. Another alien. Karen Black in the Trilogy of Terror. That's one of my favorite little horror B movies. She goes to a antique store and buys this voodoo doll a necklace, and it says, "Do not take the necklace off." But she accidentally drops the doll and the necklace falls off, as I recall. And then after that, the doll comes alive. It's, by today's standards, it's probably pretty cheesy, but back in the 70s, it was pretty good. Just love it. Wow, this is like Peach Blossom Island is the title of this. That's like abstract art. That's really cool. Wow. And then more of the Godzilla monster types. Look at this, like he's like Birdman. And that thing, God, he's so bizarre looking. And it's like Bugman. I don't know all the names of these guys. They all have official names, but man, they're pretty cool looking. Look at the Dracula guy. Wow, look at this worm guy. got wings on him too. And these guys, wow, look at these. They look like something that'd be in Power Rangers to me, or Ninja Turtles. Very cool. Wow. More Godzilla type creatures. There's a dinosaur thing, and look at the eyeballs on that, and a mummy monkey back there. Look at this, he's got fur. Amazing. Ultra Q. Wow, look at this ape. Ultra Q. That must have been a series that I have not seen. There's Ultraman. I did see him. Look at that creature from the Black Lagoon, Baby. Ultra Q. I might need to look that up and see what that's about. Here's a QR code if you guys hold your phone to the screen. If you're not watching this on your phone, you can check out his website. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. This is like lava dinosaur man. Wow, look at that. It's so overwhelming. Some people are so talented. Imagine the man hours it takes to make these from scratch. Also, they got all these kits here directly from Japan. Devilman, Batman, Spider-Man. Check this out, original Batmobile.
That is actually from Devilman. That's so funny. Okay.
That's an anime?
Yeah. Pretty good.
And up here he's got Godzilla, Ultraman. We already saw Jason. Some Godzillas there. So most of your clients here are collectors?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, look at this thing. Godzilla. Bio something? I didn't see it. Bio Lanty? Something like that. Look at that. Alien X. Wow. Look at that Godzilla head. That's amazing. This guy's carrying the vaccine or something. Serum. Turtle monster. Very cool. Look at that snake creep. Man, that thing looks so real. The submarine. That snake looks amazingly real. That's crazy. There's Mothra. Original Mothra. New Mothra. New Mothra. Homemade? These are custom made?
I make that.
I was gonna say, that's amazing. Your imagination is off the hook. To be able to come out with that in your head and make it. Three-headed dragon. Godzillas that flare out their collars. And look at that Neanderthal ninja man guy. More turtle men. They even got a UFO there. Wow, look at this. The Godzilla head. There's a trilogy of Terror doll down there. And look at this inventory coming in. Gotta love the anime girls. I always make them sexy looking. And they got, of course, they got Mickey Mouse thrown in here. And Snow White. And kitties. And heads. Power Ranger guys. Even got Batman and Robin down there. Batman, giant head Batman. There's the little ones. And I'm just going back to this wall. Get all the models, kits. Look at that. I love the Godzilla 2016 head. That's badass. Look at this motorcycle guy. He looks like a... Look at this guy. He's from something I've seen, like a sci-fi movie. Disaster scene of robot. Attacking robot guy. Imagination is off the hook in this place. There's Batman, Ultraman, Eyeball Thing, Mothra. He even got Creature from the Black Lagoon up there. That's classic. So this is the awning Heroes Club, the Art of Toys. And as you can hear and saw, the gentleman there, Robin, has been here since 1989 making these amazing models. And some of them are custom made. A lot of them are custom made by him. So anyway, if you're in San Francisco on Clement Street, definitely stop by. You know, Kirk Hammett likes this guy so much, he had him make some custom models for him. All right, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.